Hello and welcome to our video on the fascinating world of birds. Birds are a group of animals that have intrigued humans for centuries. Their ability to fly and their diverse colors and patterns have made them a popular subject for art, literature, and science. In this video, we will take you on a journey to discover the incredible world of birds. We will explore their adaptations, behavior, and ecological importance. Birds are among the most successful vertebrates on the planet, with over 10,000 species inhabiting every corner of the world. They are found in almost every habitat, from the Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests, from the depths of oceans to the highest mountain peaks. Their incredible diversity is a result of millions of years of evolution, which have led to a variety of shapes, sizes, and behaviors. One of the most remarkable features of birds is their ability to fly. Unlike other animals, which rely on legs or fins to move, birds have developed wings that enable them to take to the air. Their wings are designed to generate lift and provide stability during flight. Birds use different techniques to fly, depending on their size and shape. For instance, large birds like eagles and vultures use thermal currents to soar high in the sky, while smaller birds like hummingbirds can hover in mid-air by flapping their wings rapidly. Birds' behavior is another fascinating aspect of their biology. Many bird species are highly social, living in groups and engaging in complex behaviors. For instance, some birds, like penguins, form monogamous pairs and take turns caring for their offspring. Other birds, like corvids, have been observed using tools to obtain food or solve problems. Many bird species also have elaborate courtship displays, which involve intricate songs, dances, and colorful plumage. Birds have also evolved an impressive array of adaptations that enable them to survive in their respective habitats. For example, some birds have developed specialized beaks that allow them to feed on specific types of food. For instance, finches have beaks that are adapted to different types of seeds, while woodpeckers have long, sturdy beaks that enable them to peck at tree trunks in search of insects. Other birds, like ostriches and emus, have lost the ability to fly altogether, but have developed powerful legs that enable them to run at high speeds. Despite their remarkable success, birds face numerous threats in the modern world. Habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution are among the most significant challenges that birds face. Many bird species are also hunted for food or sport, while others are captured for the pet trade. These threats have resulted in significant declines in bird populations worldwide, with some species facing extinction. We hope you have enjoyed this journey into the world of birds. From their remarkable adaptations and behavior to their vital role in ecosystems, birds are truly fascinating animals. However, as we have seen, they also face significant challenges that require our attention and action. By protecting their habitats, reducing pollution, and curbing hunting and trade, we can help ensure that birds continue to enrich our